fire. Only maybe grown-ups or grown-ups can do it. Like dads or mums or your neighbour can disappear to like IES and up there.
Is it?
Yes. And do not go near fire. Little people are not allowed. They might get burned.
अनुजी ते की लगा है? And
And so do not go near fire. Kids cannot go near fire. Only grown-ups can.
yeah, what happened?
You might touch something when fire's on your finger, and then it might burn. Then it puts something else on it. A house might burn.
Oh,
And then you have to live on another house.
are you grown up? A little?
No, little.
You are
I'm just 5 years old.
Are you?
Yes.
Yeah.
So do not go near it. Only up there as soon as you can. Stand there, grown ups.
Oh, you know everything. Who told you that?
I learned it at school. I didn't learn at school. I just know it.
You just know it?
Yeah.
Oh wow, you are so smart. चल बिट्ठी दे दे.